We are using Amazon Q to generate acceptance test cases for a bank application in PyCharm using the robot framework. The goal is to automate the testing of two functionalities: depositing money into an account, sending money to another account. To achieve this, we provide detailed prompts to Amazon Q, which generates the necessary robot framework test cases. Here's a step-by-step explanation of the requirements for each prompt. A user wants to deposit money into their bank account using the bank's web application. The acceptance test case needs to ensure that the deposit process is correctly implemented and that the account balance is updated accurately after the deposit. One, navigate to the bank application URL. 2, enter the username and password to log in. 3, click the link to go to the deposit page. Enter account details. And 4, input the account number and the amount to be deposited, then submit. 5, check that the balance has been updated correctly. A user wants to transfer money from their bank account to another account using the bank's web application. The acceptance test case needs to ensure that the transfer process is correctly implemented and that both the sender's and receiver's account balances are updated accurately after the transfer. One, input the sender's account number, receiver's account number, and the amount to be transferred, then submit. 2, check that both the sender's and receiver's balances have been updated correctly. We used a dummy bank name and URLs in the prompts and generated code because AI tools like Amazon Q cannot capture the actual paths and specific elements of your real application. You will need to replace these placeholders with the actual URLs and element locators from your bank application. Using Amazon Q to generate test cases might not work perfectly on real-life applications due to the following reasons. Real-life applications often have dynamic elements that change frequently, such as session IDs, timestamps, and dynamic content. AI-generated scripts might not handle these changes well without additional customization. Real applications often have complex and deeply nested HTML structures, making it challenging to accurately identify elements using simple locators. AI-generated scripts might require refinement to use more robust locators. Real applications typically have complex authentication and authorization mechanisms. AI-generated scripts might not be able to handle multi-factor authentication, oath tokens, and other security measures out of the box. Real applications have intricate business logic and workflows that might not be fully captured by AI-generated scripts. Human intervention is often required to refine and adapt the scripts to ensure they align with the application's business requirements. Many applications integrate with third-party services, for example payment gateways, external APIs. AI-generated scripts might not handle these integrations correctly without customization.